Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the typewrite effect in Premiere Pro. Let's start by creating our text. Just click on the type tool right here and click on the preview video so you can type in your text. And once you have done that, you can go to the Essential Graphics tab and increase the size of your text, and also click on the align buttons to have it centered or position it as you like. Once you have done that, let's go to the effects and search for crop and drag it onto your text graphic on the timeline, and let's go to effect controls, and under the crop section let's click on the stopwatch icon right next to right, and we are going to change the value to 100, and then we're going to move a few seconds ahead and we are going to change the value to 0. You can then adjust the distance between the keyframes to adjust the speed, but this is how it looks like. And you can then add a typing sound effect to make it look better and have a better output in the end. And that is how you can basically make the typewrite effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.